seen a bunch of little bait fish. That's about it. One last cast and I'm gonna move. Reel it in. There we go. Oh, well, never mind. That's the last cast, and look, little smallmouth. I already can tell. Oh wait, actually, that is a rock bass. No, that is a smallmouth. Little guy. This fish is cold. Jeez, this fish is really cold. Water can't be this cold. I mean, this fish is freezing, dude. There he goes. Oh, you went up that way. Okay. Wrong way though, little buddy. But okay. It's crazy how like this would be all filled and it would go all the way up to the top of that hill right there when all the snow melted. And then I come back. I was gone. I haven't fished there in like 3 weeks. I come back. Last time I fished here was up, boom, here. And now there's maybe about a couple inches of water. Like that is crazy how fast like stuff can change like this. It really is. Pretty wild. Look at this stuff. It's like hair. It's like a big wad of hair. It's everywhere. I know some sort of like algae or plant or something, but it's like walking in hair, like disgusting. This used to be a real deep hole, like it was up to my knees at one point. Well, now it's up to my ankles. Real nice. Just spooked like all the little fish away. Yeah, they're not gonna want to eat. They're not gonna want to eat it now since I just walked up in here like a freaking know-it-all. Oh, there was something right there. There we go. I know it's small, but this is something. What is this? Shiner. I haven't caught one of these in forever. Oh my God, dude. What a beautiful fish. Look, let me get him. Look at it. It's just silver. Small fish, but I'm not complaining at all on the little thing. This is my favorite hole to fish in because right at the bend. Oh. I did see a couple little stuff come up. Nothing big though. Much just little stuff like, I know what they are too. They're creek chubs, all right? I know what they are. They're creek chubs. But oh, that was a big hit. Dude, what the heck? That's a freaking big creek chub right there. Or is that probably shiner, but I don't know what the heck that is, but that is a freaking big something. Or it could be smallmouth. Dude, they're not even bad size. What the heck? Oh, there we go. Yep, it was a smallmouth. There you go, little smallmouth finally. Birdfish. They're just small today. Got a couple scars on them. A little small. It's a little smally. On the woolly bugger. Peace, little bud. There he goes. Seen something move. Oh, a little crayfish. See if I can get him. There we go. Ah! Jeez, he just pinched me. Ah, dang it, man. That kind of hurt. Jeez. Size of this crayfish right here. See if I can get him. Guys, look at this one. Oh, man. Oh, whoa. You're getting kind of close there, bud. This one's a big crayfish, yo. See what's up to the camera. See what's up. No. Alright. Peace, little buddy. That was a nice crayfish. Whoa, that's a big creature right there. Jesus, dude. That creature was huge. Oh, it's a shiner. That's why. Caught another shiner. I haven't caught one of these in like 2 years. Love catching these things. Beautiful colors. Golden shiners are even better, but silver shiners, maybe common shiners. I don't know. I just call them silver shiners. That was pretty dope too. Oh, stop. There he goes. Look at him still swimming. He's kind of big. Maybe we need to get down to their level. You know, let it sink, and then start moving up. There you go. Another. What is this? Oh, geez, it's the smallest smallmouth I've ever even caught. Look at this little dude. Little smallmouth right there. Boop. There he goes. Oh, I'm stuck underneath my feet. Oh, there we go. That's the biggest smallmouth of the day right there. Oh man, that's not a bad one for today. I mean, geez. They're light as... Colors are really light and they're cold. Really cold. Get out. Biggest one of today. I mean... Oh, geez. See you, little dude. Didn't have to freak out. Probably help if I get some line out, huh? Okay, or... Yep, I'll pull the line out, pull out some line, little dude. Alright, well, there you go. First rock bass of the day. Right here. Let me caught it. This fish is freaking really cold. Why is it stuck in his... Alright, got it out. I was like, what? Little rock bass? This fish is super cold, dude. Jesus. Look, there we go. Another little smallmouth, man. They're freaking... They're freaking in here, man. These little smallmouths. I can't even lip this guy. Oh, yeah, I can. Barely even fits. Oh, buddy, no. Get back in the water. I can't even lip him. Oh, man, dude. Oh, there we go. There's a little rock bass. Oh, dropped him. There's a little rock bass. He's gone. Oh. I see him like biting it. There we go. Got another, what is this, little smallmouth. Look how little these smallmouth are. They put up a little fight though, to be honest. There he goes. See the bigger one out of here. There you go, there's a nicer one. There's a way nicer one. There we go. Finally caught an okay one. Little weight to him, little. How the heck? A little weight to this dude. Beautiful fish. See you, little bud. Guys, thank you for watching this video. Go watch all the other ones. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and see you later. What the fuck?